Hey, this is Taylor Soper with GeekWire.com, and we're here with the new Watch ESPN app on the Xbox 360. It's available to Xbox Live Gold members. And they used to have an ESPN app on here, and it honestly wasn't very good. It only had ESPN 3 content, not so much stuff. But now they've included ESPN, ESPN 2, ESPN 3, ESPNU. I mean the whole ESPN slate on here. Provided that you have an affiliated provider. So there's about 6 or 7 of them, and I have Xfinity, as you can see up in the right corner there. It says powered by Xfinity, and I have Comcast, so I just had an activated code online, and now I'm watching ESPN on the Watch ESPN app here on Xbox Live. So I'm just going to walk through a little bit and let you check it out. So here's the hub. You've got your live TV, what's going on right now in the top left there, and we've got the Monday night game, the Niners and Bears. Should be a great game, great defensive matchup. And here we go. It looks nice. The quality is really good, actually. And there's about a 10-second delay. I've been testing back and forth with the live TV, which is not bad at all. And say I want to watch something else at the same time, there's this really cool feature by hitting X. You can get a dual screen thing up here, and over here I've got ESPN 2, which is showing UCLA and Georgetown. So that's very cool, very easy to do. You hit X, and I want to go back to the games. I don't want to miss the next play, and there we go, there's the game. So very cool dual screen thing. I don't have that on my TV with regular cable, so this is something I might actually use. So I'll hit B and get back to the hub. As you can see, there's a ticker on the bottom there showing the latest news, just like on normal ESPN. And I've got a whole flurry of functions here. You can You can use a content guide. Little Heisman Trophy feature here through Nissan. The Spotlight NCAA football, so you can rewatch. Oh, what a great weekend we had in college football. Stanford and Oregon, Kansas State and Baylor. You can rewatch all these games, so that's really cool. If you go here to My Sports, which is one of my favorite parts about this. You can put your favorite teams, your favorite sports, and it'll show you, kind of what's live right now. So say, let's just say my favorite football team is the 49ers, which they aren't, but just for this time, we'll say they are. So I'll go to My Favorites, Manage My Favorites. I want to add the Niners, so I'll go by location. Oh, I don't live in Canada. USA, California, San Francisco 49ers. Okay, they're my favorite. I've selected them and started off. I'll go back. And I want to say My Live. So it'll be showing all my favorite teams, and what's showing live is, there it is. There's the Bears and 49ers game. And I also was messing around and hit North Carolina as one of my favorite teams too, which they aren't, but I just did it for testing purposes. And all the North Carolina basketball games are listed here too. So that's a really cool way to kind of, sort your favorite teams and just have it all on a nice plate right there. So I'll go back to the hub. And you can watch live TV, and while you're watching, you can go up and down the D-pad, and that'll bring up all sorts of different stuff. There's featured replays, featured highlights, what's live right now. You can kind of go back and forth with your D-pad to sort through them, and then just hit B to get rid of that. So very easy to move around this app to different shows and different sports that are going on. So I haven't figured out how to do it quite yet with ESPN and ESPN2, but there's a DVR function with all the other channels. So I'll go watch, let's see, what's live right now? Poker. Poker's on, so I'll hit A and switch to poker here. Let's show you how fast it is actually to switch over. So we're on poker right now. I don't know what this is, but if you hit left trigger, you can actually rewind. And right trigger obviously is fast forward, so you can actually go back, and if you want to watch a replay of something, rewind it, fast forward it, and go back to live. I'll hit live, and there we go. So very cool DVR function here. Haven't got it to work on the ESPN and ESPN2, but regardless, very cool. So that's a little rundown of the new Watch ESPN app for Xbox 360. I'm a huge sports nut, and this is something I will definitely be using in the future.